Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin, Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take home science class for the students of class 6 on the topic of chapter 3, creative question answer. I am repeating, our today's topic is creative question answer from chapter 3. Students, this is our third lecture and third SW. I am repeating again, this is our third lecture and third SW. Students, in our lecture 2, we have discussed about CQ1 and 2, and we elaborately discussed about CQ1. Today we'll discuss elaborately on CQ2. Our question is, Rita and Geeta are students of the same class. Rita goes to school every day with her textbooks and exercise books according to the day's routine. On the other hand, Geeta fails to follow her teacher's instructions for coming with textbooks and exercise books not according to the day's routine. Our question is, what is the first step of home management? Students, you know what is the first step of home management? I hope you know because you have read the text. The answer is, planning is the first step of home management. I'm repeating again, the answer will be, planning is the first step of home management. Our second question, what is meant by unplanned work? I'm repeating, what is meant by unplanned work? You can write like this. The work that is done without any prior thinking or planning is called an unplanned work. The time and sequence are not fixed in an unplanned work while it lacks any goal or objective. It is the opposite in nature to planned work. Students, from this answer we come to know that unplanned work is completely opposite to planned work. When you plan for something or some work, it will be successful, and without planning, your work will be unsuccessful. Now come to question number C. Which of the management steps is reflected in Rita's attitude? Explain. Students, I said in our earlier class that you can get this answer from your textbook page number 20. So, look, I have written the answer. You can write like this, or with the help of your text, you can write the answer. Rita's activities as mentioned in the given stem reflect the first step of home management, which is planning. Thinking out why and how a work must be done and who will do the work comprises of the planning process. Rita's plan ahead for the next day's schoolwork. She organizes the textbook, notebooks, pens and other instruments in her bag as per the class routine. As a result, she can abide by her teacher's instructions with ease and responsibility. Students, from this stem, we come to know that Rita is an active student. She always plans for her everyone, whether it is going to her school, whether it is maintaining her textbooks or notebooks. That is why she is successful in her study, and teachers love her very much. Now students, come to number D. Geeta's attitude is an obstacle to her success. Explain. Students, from the stem we come to know that Rita and Geeta are students of the same class. Geeta's attitude is fully different from Rita. Rita is attentive and Geeta is inattentive, and Rita maintains planning before doing any work and Geeta doesn't. So you have to write about Geeta's attitude. Look here, the answer can write like this. From the given stem, we can observe that Geeta does her work in an unplanned manner without any prior thinking. The time and sequence of an unplanned work is not fixed while it lacks any goal or objective. This was evident in Geeta's activities. She does not organize her books according to the class routine and thus often takes the wrong books to school. As a result, she is unable to follow the teacher's instructions in the class and fails to grasp the subjects well. This eventually will affect her results. If she continues with her unplanned way of doing work, she will never be able to attain success in life. To be successful, it is vital to have a planned way for accomplishing work and goals in life. Students, now I am reading the creative question 1. The stem is, Rina's mother is a school teacher. Her wish is to make Rina a doctor. To achieve this goal, she has prepared a plan for her daughter and taken necessary steps. Our first question is, what should we do before starting any work? Number B, what do you understand by home management? Number C, what necessary steps should Rina's mother take? Explain. Number D, explain the mother's role in achieving the goal in light of your textbook. Students, CQ1 will be your homework. I am repeating again, CQ1 will be your homework. Students, in our earlier class, we have discussed about CQ1. You can write or do your SW with the help of your text and lecture 2. Please do your homeworks in your SW copy. Guardians or anyone else can submit your copies on every Sunday and can collect your copies on next Sunday. You will get your CT, diary and SPA marks on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. That's all for today. Read the text again and again. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.